Careful.
Then you need to go up here. This one.
Happy birthday to you. What? It's a kid here now.
I see her face. Oh, I see her. You're so cute, baby.
That's awesome.
Oh my goodness, you're so cute.
Oh my god.
You look like me. I think she looks like me.
She looks like you. I'm glad.
Hi, Dove. Hi, girl.
Burrito. Got too burritoed.
Spit up.
The glamorous life of baby life.
Changing her diaper. Hi, little Dovey.
So right now we're burping BB.
That's so cute. Good girl. Oh my god. You did it. Oh my goodness. You're such a happy baby. I love it.
That's true.
What? Yeah.
Hi, cutie. I love you. Wow, yeah. Woohoo! Clap, 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 clap. Yeah! Woohoo! Yay! Say hi, Sina. Thanks for say hi to Daddy.
Hi, kid.
Just the hour, and you're so happy. Why? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Dove. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Good morning. I love you. This is what 1 year old looks like on Dovey girl. Woo, yeah. Who's one? You are. You're 1 year old. Happy birthday. Hi, I love you. Hi, I love you. Do you want to see all your presents? You have so many new toys and a cake. You have a cake to eat. Do you know what else you have? A new dress. If you want to wear it, we got a new dress for you. Oh, you just want my hair tied. Okay, here you go. You want it? You want my hair tied? There you go. Well, happy birthday. That seems to make you happy. Happy birthday. 1 year old. You're so sweaty. Oh my goodness, so sweaty. Yeah. Today is all about you, Dove. Well, and also me because I gave birth to you, but you know, it's all about you. Yeah. Look, you're so close to the edge. Do you want to get on the ground? Can I put you in your dress? Here, you sit here. Wait for mommy, okay? Wait for mommy, please. I'll be right there. I'll be right there. What? Wait, Dove. Wait, please. Wait for mama. Whoa! What are you doing? Are you trying to get off? Like that. Yep, there you go. Growling is your new thing. Wow. May I have my camera back, please? Thank you. Thanks for giving me back my camera. Yeah. Okay, yes.
Oh, nice. Yeah, there must be a stick in there, huh?
Hi. We're blowing your birthday balloons. Yeah, it's your first birthday.
Oh!
or H-T-R-I-D.
Okay.
Guess what, Dove? We have a lot of birthday presents for you. Do you want to know what they are? Should we open your birthday presents or eat your cake and sing your birthday song first? What should we do first?
Presents.
Okay, so this is what we did. Happy birthday! There's more tape, I think. Do you need more tape? Hi, are you amazed by the balloons? I have one for you right here. It says one Dove. Debbie, look! This one's for you. Yeah, that's for you.
Ah!
Yeah.
Yay!
Wow. Okay, look. This is for you. This is for you. And then this is for you. And this is for you. This one's for you too. Wow. Oh, and there's this one too, Dove. Oh, these are
Yay,
plates
Debbie.
and candles. Oh, what's this? Oh, and this one too. And there's truffle chips. I think that's for Mommy and Daddy. And what's this? Strong gummies. That's also for Mommy and Daddy. Okay. Wow, she loves this. This is her favorite.
Which one do you want to open first? There's so many.
Ooh, so many new things for the baby. What is that? What time is it?
Happy birthday, Debbie.
Look, Tina, look what we did.
That's adorable. She looks
Oh no! Oh no! It just says birthday now.
It's just birthday time. It's just birthday.
This is a birthday cake given to Dove by her auntie. Actually, my auntie, not her auntie. Hey Leo, come take a look. Wow, it's so pretty.
Whoa, I want to see. Whoa!
Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Happy birthday, Dove.
There's some candles in the bag. Okay, I'll prepare the cake with the candles.
Hi, Dovey. Can you please tell us how you feel on your first birthday?
She's happy, you know that. Hi, beautiful. Trade. Ooh, look at that one.
What's that one? Can you open it for us? Back to the street or some.
Back to that.
Nope, she's excited to touch that. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dovey. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
You blow it out, you blow it.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay,
Woohoo!
do you want to try some cake, Dove?
Yay, Dovey. Should we eat some?
Yeah.
It's Dovey's birthday! Yay!
Wow! What's in here? What's this? Little duckies. Oh. Do you like them? When you take a bath, you can play with them. Wow. She's so still into that one. Look, Debbie, there's too many toys for baby girl. Oh my goodness. What's that? It's a dog. Oh, someone's excited about the dog.
Can you tell us your birthday wish? True.
Oh wow, it's a puppy, Dove. Woof, woof. I'm so excited about the dog.
Yeah. Yay.
My grandma, so it's like your great grandma and your auntie went out to buy these for you. Oh wow, this one's fun.
Yay, more bath
Ooh,
things.
It's a bathtub with a baby in it.
I always thought it was funny that babies get babies as toys.
I know, right?
How do these feel like?
Oh, water goes in here and then it comes out like that.
Interesting.
Hey, look, is this a baby? Baby, look, it's a baby. With a milk bottle. Dumb. Look, Dove, what's this? Oh no, she might put it in her mouth.
Oh shoot, it's like lotus.
Yeah, it's a
Rice.
lotus thing.
Yay, Dovey.
I love you. Oh, see, you can't eat this. You can't eat this. No, don't put it in your mouth, okay, my love? That's not for the mouth. Look at the duckies! So many. Okay, that's it for her unboxing. Baby toy unboxing. Oh, she likes the baby. She's smiling at it. Yeah.
Our hotel gave this to us. One happy birthday, baby dog, along with the teddy bear. Thank you so much, Miramoon. They even photoshopped a picture of her. I'm gonna bring it over to Karen.
佢眼瞓啦，佢今日冇瞓晏覺啊嘛，你睇下。
Let's check out the
佢
cake.
有埋佢個樣嘅，黐埋佢個樣喺上邊。
Happy birthday to baby Dove. Yay! Thank you so much. Dovey's cakes.
Okay, are you vlogging me cut it?
I'm vlogging you cut it.
Okay, 我哋切蛋糕啦 ，BB。點樣切咧？ How do I do this?
I don't know. Maybe is the top like all one piece? Can you cut through it, or is it solid? Maybe you can take it off.
I think you should cut it downward into a slice because I think it might
Oh,
be a
shoot.
layer cake
There you go.
with like rainbow.
嗱，我而家切緊個蛋糕啊，佢望住嘅。
我加唔到菇啫。
Oh, it's a rainbow cake.
Oh wow! Look at that. Wow.
佢幾緊張，你睇下佢。
I think we'll double it, have like a tiny bit, maybe a little bit.
Like this.
There's the plates. Want me to get plates?
This is for Dove. What happened?
Oh, you're on.
哇，咁樣食啊！
Yeah. That's how you eat it, dummy.
做咩啊你？
佢連線中喎，你整佢啊！阿姑姐啊，連線中喎。
Good job. That's how you eat it.
I'm gonna eat the one.
Really?
Happy
Yeah.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Dovey. Happy birthday to you.